Starting around 27 September 2023, Bitcoin Money most certainly is exchanging at $218.17 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.54% in by and large most recent 60 minutes in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. BCH basically has an essentially complete market cap of $4,257,710,701, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $165,247,044 in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This truly makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, sort of positioning at 18 in the digital currency market in a fundamentally significant manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Bitcoin Money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Money sort of be certainly worth in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Bitcoin Money in every practical sense wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which really is very critical. Will BCH cost especially outperform its unequaled high, or so they generally thought? These basically are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin Money conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost especially is supposed to sort of cross a fundamentally normal value level of $259.46, the normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to explicitly be $248.26. Essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, BCH can basically arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $285.43, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin Money cost in a real sense is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $214.92, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The BCH cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $241.78, with the for the most part normal expected cost around $235.06, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin Money cost especially is figured to really arrive at a kind of the least cost of $228.57, which generally is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could basically arrive at a truly greatest cost of $253.53, with the really normal expected cost around $239.77 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH, value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may for the most part arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $235.61, while the especially greatest estimated cost by and large is around $263.12, or so they by and large thought. The typical cost for BCH in every way that really matters is basically anticipated to generally reach $244.56 in October 2023, showing how this basically makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, extremely positioning at 18 in the digital currency market in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin Money value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Bitcoin Money could explicitly stretch around $275.35, so the BCH cost could explicitly arrive at a very greatest cost of $253.53, with the kind of typical expected cost around $239.77 in an especially significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 in a real sense is $242.94, with a really normal cost of $251.90 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the most extreme cost for Bitcoin Money could by and large stretch around $285.43, or so they basically thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 really is $248.26, with an exceptionally normal cost of $259.46, incredibly. Bitcoin Money kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap The Bitcoin Cash's cost explicitly has shown an especially decent increment of 2.38% in the kind of most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting that Bitcoin money especially passed cost investigation with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitcoin Cash's cost in every practical sense has shown an excellent increment of 2.38% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. From especially most recent 7 days, the BCH really was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 2.65%, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money explicitly has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and especially put resources into an unpretentious way in a real sense. Nonetheless, after the looking at the in every practical sense current cost with most certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it in a real sense is seen that Bitcoin money in every way that really matters has expanded 38.290% in its worth, which is very huge. The typical fundamentally least cost for the month explicitly is $130.31, while pretty greatest genuinely normal cost essentially was $134.63, which most certainly is very critical. This suggests that this coin fundamentally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to pretty arrangement of coins for pretty long haul, which truly shows that moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 explicitly is $242.94, with a really normal cost of $251.90 in an essentially significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is around 39.59%, and the cost really flowed from an in every practical sense least truly normal cost of $125.38 to exceptionally greatest by and large normal cost of $134.83 in the in every way that really matters recent days, exhibiting that from essentially most recent 7 days, the BCH generally was in all things considered great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.65% in an unobtrusive manner. In by and large most recent 4 months Bitcoin money sort of has shown a developing pattern, which is very huge. Consequently, we in every practical sense feel that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which especially shows that Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at a flat-out least cost of $228.57, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is expanded from 4 months, which generally shows that Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH value sort of is supposed